We are off to London in a few days. So आज के वीडियो में I want to share packing details about London trip, how to pack, which things to carry, so that you have a smooth trip. First up, let's talk about clothes. The weather in London is unpredictable, so you need to carry everything that you might need because it may be hot and cold. It varies from sunshine to rain, and we need to be prepared. So layers is the key, and that is what we are keeping. We would also need some comfortable shoes for all the walking that we would be doing in London. Sneakers are must. I wanted to try long boots. They are also will be part of my packing. Then boots. I've heard we can't go to London without an umbrella, and I don't want to go and buy and look for shops for umbrella there. So we will be packing one umbrella at least. And let's admit it, we are going to forget it in our hotel room any which ways. So we'll end up buying one from the corner street. Just embrace it. You'll have a whole collection of umbrellas by the end of your trip. So number 3 is electronics. We would need our phone chargers, our cameras, and our adapters. So we have this couple of adapters, which this is a multi-country adapter that we have, which can work in US, UK, European countries as well as Asian countries. So this has various ports that can be added up. So there goes one for the second type and the third type. All right. So it will be using this. And since we will have at least 4 to 5 gadgets with us as we are traveling as a family, we have bought a couple of more travel plugs from Septics. Next item is snacks. Plain food is really not the one to die for. So please carry a few snacks that you'll be munching upon. And to tell you the truth, we will all end up buying snacks across every corner that we will be traveling, because we would have finished all our snacks on day 1. And before London, we are traveling from 1st to 4th to Chennai. So there are 2 packings to do. One for London, which may probably be all black, and all the whites for Chennai. And friends, I want to show you what the family is doing while I'm doing all the packing. Now you see my fate. Best of luck to me. अभी लंदन की पैकिंग ख़त्म हो गई है ऑलमोस्ट, एंड मैं मूव कर रही हूँ चेन्नई पैकिंग. सी द रिजल्ट ऑफ माई कमिंग इन. पीपल आर ऑफ टू पैकिंग. काम शुरू हो गया है. So this is my list for packing for London. Remember, it's not about how much we pack, it's more about how much memories we create. And that's the aim. So pack light, have fun, create memories, laugh at yourself along the way. Remember, it's London you are going for, not the moon. Safe travels. Hey friends, please मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक करिए. और there's one bell icon button. Please press it so that you can stay with me throughout this journey. तो लंदन हम सब एक साथ मेरी नज़रों से देखेंगे. बाय.